picture your last day of work, not retirement. The actual last day you physically cannot do it anymore. For most people, that day comes a lot later than they planned. And most people never see it coming until it is too late to do anything about it. Most people have a plan: work until 65, collect the pension, move somewhere nice, enjoy the rest of your life. It is a clean, simple plan. It is also the plan that fails more often than it works. Here is why. The average person retires with somewhere around $172,000 saved. It sounds like a real number until you do the maths on it. If you are spending $2,000 a month to live a basic but comfortable life, that money lasts about 7 years. You retire at 65. The money runs out at 72. The average person lives until 80. That is 8 years where the money is gone and you are still here. And that gap has to be filled by something. Usually it is going back to work, depending on your kids, or surviving on whatever the government decides to give you that year. This is not rare. This is the most common financial story in the world right now. And almost nobody saw it coming because nobody showed them the numbers when it actually mattered. Go back to the beginning. You are 22, first real job. Real money for the first time. And you do what everyone around you does. Rent, food, a car, weekends, your phone upgrade. They are also every dollar that is not working for your future right now. At some point, HR sends you a form about a pension or a retirement account. You pick the minimum contribution, you move on. Because 65 feels like a different person's problem when you are 22. Then you are 30, better salary, bigger apartment, nicer car. The spending scaled up perfectly with the income. The savings got a little bigger, but the percentage you are actually putting away stayed about the same. Then you are 40, maybe kids. Definitely a mortgage. The retirement account has something in it. But you have started doing the maths for the first time, and the number you are heading toward by 65 is not the number you are going to need. The average person between 55 and 64 has around $134,000 saved. Retirement is somewhere around $1 million. The gap between those two numbers is not something you close by saving harder for a decade. This is the moment most people figure it out, when fixing it properly is almost off the table, and so they keep working. Past 65, past 70, some of them past 80, because stopping means running out. One thing changes this outcome. Starting earlier, here is the maths nobody puts in front of you when you are young enough for it to matter. If you invest $300 a month starting at 22, at a historical average return of 7% a year, you will have around $1.1 million by the time you hit 65. The same $300 a month starting at 32 gets you about $567,000. Starting at 42 gets you about $257,000. Same monthly amount, same return. The only difference is when you started. Beginning at 22 gives you more than 4 times the result of beginning at 42, because the money has more time to grow on itself. Interest earns interest. That interest earns more interest. The longer it runs, the faster it builds, but it needs time. And time is the one resource you genuinely cannot buy back. You do not have to blow up your life to do this. $300 a month is $10 a day. Less than most people spend on lunch and coffee without thinking about it. The decision is a small one. The gap in the outcome is enormous. And you do not need to know anything complicated about the stock market to do it. A basic index fund, one that tracks the 500 largest companies in the US, has returned an average of 7 to 10% per year historically. You put money in every month and leave it alone. That is the whole thing. The people who retire with enough money are almost never the ones who made brilliant investment moves. They are the ones who started in their 20s and never stopped putting money in. That is the actual secret. It is boring and it is available to almost everyone. 2 people. Same salary for most of their lives. One started at 22. One started at 35. By 65, they are living completely different lives. The difference between them is not intelligence or luck. It is time. Open your banking app right now. Seriously, do it now. Find one thing you are spending money on that you genuinely do not need. One subscription, one habit. Redirect that money into an index fund this week. Future you will either thank you or wish you had. There is no in between. If this hit you somewhere, the next video will too. It is right there.